What is up, everyone? How you doing? What's up, Tukey? How you doing? But today we will be working on the S13 a little bit, which is awesome because I'm dying to. But as you guys know, last season I put her through some work, and she came out looking not nearly as pretty as she used to be. So, Operation Make the S13 Pretty Again, full effect, right, RJ?
Having a moment. Okay.
Hi, buddy. Hi.
We came just in time.
For what?
About to open my new front bumper.
I mean, I guess.
I hate you. So I've been going crazy trying to figure out what look I want to go with this car this season. 'Cause I mean, listen, they make 1.5 million kits for S13s, and picking the right one is pretty difficult. You good there, guy?
Speaking of difficult, got it.
So I have a lot of kits in mind for this car, but honestly, they're all fiberglass, and I hate fiberglass. It sucks. You dirt drop once, you blow your kit apart, and then you have to spend $300 to fix it. So decided to switch it up and go with something that's not fiberglass.
I hope this is like OEM Plus style here.
Well, you're gonna have to wait. I'll stop talking. Just open the damn thing. Okay. So this is the first piece of the puzzle.
How many pieces are there?
3.
Who packaged this? There we go. Almost there. Scalpel. What is it? It made of polyurethane?
Yes, sir.
It's just a giant front lip.
Show it off. Yay! So, just like you wished, RJ, OEM Plus.
Fuck yes.
Alright, guys, so if you guys can't tell, this is actually a Sylvia K's Aero front bumper. I decided to switch it up a little bit and try to go for like an OEM Plus look this season. My buddy, my good friend Bobby G, he has a coupe with pop-up, and he went with the OEM Plus look, and I love it, and I want to match him. Ooh. Ooh. Let's fit this thing up.
I fuck with it hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dumb heavy? Alright, let me here. You take the camera. I'm gonna mock it up.
Alright.
Dude, I'm excited. I'm definitely.
I like this way better already.
Cut the. No. Thanks.
Look at that. Oh, mint.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh, the lighting kind of.
Lighting is bad.
Hold on. Did that help?
Yes.
Hell yeah. I should do that from the beginning, huh? Oh, dude, I'm so excited. Oh, it looks so good.
That looks much nicer.
So I got the grills off of Dorky Dory, and I think they. Okay, well I gotta use the adhesion. But I don't want to do it yet because we gotta paint it. But look at that. That's gas, right?
I like it. Tucker, what do you think of the bumper? You like it?
He said, nah, it's a rep.
You're so cute.
We got the turn signals and the grills in, and dude, it looks so good.
I hope the lighting is enough to see it for everybody, because this looks so good.
Comment below what color you think Jimmy should paint the car. I vote OEM two-tone.
No, if I was gonna change it, I'd probably go seafoam.
Yo.
I should make a Sylvia shirt, and I'll sell it 3 different color waves, and whatever color wave sells the most, that's what color I paint my car.
That's a businessman
That's
right
a good idea right there.
I'm so proud of you.
What?
So we gotta trim it.
What?
It's hitting your bash bar?
No.
Yes.
No, look at it.
Yeah, it looks bowed out.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It looks beautiful, but it's bowed out. It's hitting your bash bar.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Well, I did because I'm a professional body guy. And I looked at it for 3 seconds.
Sheesh, that makes a lot of sense.
No, it looks awesome. Like I told you to get this bumper like
Yeah,
how long ago? Before you came to the shop.
I told you.
Before you came to the shop.
All right, let's cut it. Come on. What do we cut it with? This should do it, right?
Why not?
Oh, you're trying to like really make it work.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe we'll just cut it all the way out by the time I put it back on it.
This looks like a tramp stamp.
It's like an angel. Like a shitty one.
Just like you, B. You're my angel.
This doesn't fit.
We're going with the old school technique before power tools.
A little rough cut, and then we'll smooth her out, I think.
You know, I appreciate you, right?
Yeah, I know that. Just testing it out. It's working pretty good. I mean, that was like 45 seconds of sanding, and this side's almost done. So I think 80 grit's just fine.
That's beautiful. Not bad for a pair of dikes and a file.
And a piece of 80 grit sandpaper.
And a little bit of elbow grease.
Won't be all love.
Alright, let's test fit it. Oh, you need to stop touching that. How's she looking?
I mean, it looks smooth.
Tight as a nun?
It's not bowling out anymore.
You're right, it does sit a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
You could like really see the center.
You can see the bash bar.
You can see the bash bar. Wow, that was really bowed out, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Dude, that looks sick.
Hell yeah.
Crooked ass grill. I'll fix you. Don't worry.
A couple extra zip ties. I mean, you have to cut a lot off this grill to make it fit in this car, so makes sense.
Oh, he sees a bug. Nope. Okay. Alright guys, so on Saturday, Jip, Brian, and Josh are gonna be what?
Drifting!
Saturday is like a drift clinic at Lock City where C class and B class are going to have a lot of seat time. It's set up so there's not as many spots, so there's more seat time, and almost like a drift lesson. So there's gonna be different setups on the course, and they're gonna do quick lectures and have A class drivers go in their cars with them, and I'll help instruct.
Now that I have a solid alignment, I should be better.
Yeah, by the end of the day, I'll be showing you a thing or two. All right, pal.
Yeah, okay, fucking Mr.
No, I'm looking forward to some serious instruction there, Jimbo. You've only been in my car with me like once ever.
That's true, and I had a panic attack. And then Sunday is is at Thompson is Broke East, which is a big car show here, and there's a drift demo, and I'll be drifting in that, which is dope.
So, if you guys are bored on Sunday, come to Broke East.
And cheer your boy on.
You might be able to touch Jimmy's butt. Shut up, dude. We're filming a segment.
Go in your bed then.
Yo, can we turn the boost up in this thing and make more horse puppies or what? Come on.
No, not yet.
Come on, in 300.
Let him link the track
And
first.
yeah.
True. Good call.
Brian, fuck out of here. Maybe if I had a solid alignment, I'd be fucking putting my nose in your door and your butt in my
I
mouth.
have a Jimmy Oaks alignment, which is basically like closing your eyes and throwing an adjustable wrench at the car.
Hey! Guys, look how much sub mount we have acquired in the last week. This is crazy. So, I'm thinking of doing a whole video on sub mount, if not a live stream this week. Let me know what you guys think, but we gotta bang through that. But we do have some big packages too. And I'm thinking we just bang these out. Whoa, 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 right.
Oh, you said bang him out. Oh my god. It's the Armor All treatment.
Oh, no way.
No way. Yo. Jimmy, love the content. Your videos motivate me to keep grinding on my projects. I ordered a few things that I think you and your crew can find a use for from Burger.
Hold on. His name is Burger.
Just Burger.
That's sick.
That's a cool name. I mean, I wish my parents named me Burger.
I think this is for you.
What's read it aloud?
I think.
What's the
Bundle 11 items, rolling ... and then another rolled, and then tips, grinder, and more.
This must be a bodywork must tool, right?
It's probably for rolling fenders, and it's called Leaf Lock because obviously I don't have anything to say, but other than thank you.
Let me
This
see
looks
this. Let me see.
sick.
I wanna-
Well, I want to know what's in there. Oh my!
Looks like a body man survival tool.
That is a body man survival tool. You got a dickhead of a boss. Pick up one of these, Johns.
I can see the jealousy in Josh's eyes.
That is.
That's a. I need that.
B-Hall's getting. Hey, Drill, look what B-Hall got.
Oh boy.
Damn, son.
Ooh, we got a flag?
We got a flag. This is a yo, Drew. This is you, bro.
Oh lord.
Low key.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna be gassed if you can't tell what it is already. Opens it up the wrong way.
Oh my god.
It's an Amaya.
Let's go, boys!
Yama John. What do you think, Tucker?
That's all you, man.
Hell yeah, Tucker loves it.
The Yama Durag.
Shop essentials.
The Yami Durag. Oh, there you
Saw
go.
him coming,
Catch him
boys.
in traffic.
Get me right.
You're still low.
This thing is sick. I've never seen a microfiber towel as big as like a bathing towel. That's cool.
Are you gonna hang this up in here?
No, it's all you.
Oh, I was gonna say I'd be honored, but thank you.
We could put it in here, but that's
No, this is totally like all me. Let's go, Tuck. Gotta find a spot for this.
It's to look
Let's go, buddy.
Oh, those are quality cartoons. I'm sorry. Hell yeah. I love the Hot Wheels. This is awesome. There's no name on it. Or note, unless there's a note in there. No note. Priscilla in North Carolina. Priscilla.
Priscilla in North Carolina. Thank you for
Unless
the
you had,
FD Hot Wheels.
unless someone had like their mom send it out for them, or maybe Priscilla just sending FDs out here. But
Either way.
thank you guys. I love the Hot Wheels stuff. It all goes up here. Hell yeah.
Sick. Let's do another one of these big boxes. All you.
Find out where they're from.
The poor Montego Blue FD hood. If you guys don't feel bad about this hood has an insane amount of back in it.
And it's aluminum, so it's not gonna come back. Oh. Oh.
Tools.
Ooh.
I see.
Ooh. Yes. Hi, Jimmy and the gang. A little gift from the tiny Scandinavian country, Denmark. I know you guys like flags, so here's a Danish flag to your collection. I also include some tools because you can't have enough.
Hell yeah. We'll throw those in the drift kit or something.
Hell yeah. Martin, thanks, man. This is cool. I don't even know what the flag looks
All the
like.
way from Denmark. Man, every time, like, I think it's wild. Dude. International subscribers. What a day and age we live in, huh?
Woo!
Hell yeah.
It's a nice looking flag.
It is.
Denmark, if you got something, you got a nice flag. And some cool ass dude sending us stuff. Martin, thank you, homie. Fuck it, let's do one more. Let's just do one more.
Knock it out. Bang it out, as Jimmy would say. 4.4 pounds. What could it be?
Snacks.
No. No.
I love getting we devour these things in a night. This
4
is
pounds of food. I can't wait.
Hi, Jimmy and crew. I thought you guys might enjoy these with all the other recent fan mail. Love the channel. Josh, you sent the snacks? Nah, it wasn't him. We're joking. No, look at that guy. He's not bringing the snacks. Josh, thank you, buddy, because we're about to bang this out. Chip, come here. Chip, pick a favorite. Come on.
Chip,
come on.
Chip.
I'm trying to get my tires to mount.
Chip.
Come on.
Chip. What do you
Get
want?
loose a little bit. Come on.
What do you get? What do you go for?
Oh,
Jesus.
dude, this is dense.
White cheddar? No,
Hold on.
Cheez-Its are fire.
Look
I'm
how
not gonna lie.
dense this is, dude.
I do. It's 4 pounds of freaking snacks.
But it's like, look at it. It's like stacked like fucking Tetris.
Grandma's cookies.
No way. Hold on. Fruit roll, if I call it.
Hold on. Yes, Airheads. Watermelon's the jam too.
Bust the line on these. Who's got a credit card?
All right, Chip, take it easy.
What do you want?
Airhead.
You want an Izzo?
Oh yeah, big facts.
Rice Krispie treat. Take it.
No,
Squish it.
the whole team eating. The whole team eating.
Hold on, Jimmy's showing a
Ready?
tutorial on eating Rice Krispies.
Whole team eats.
Yeah, get it. Good boy.
Squish it real nice,
I've never
right?
seen this. Whoa, that's kind of weird looking.
Oh no, you can only eat it the wide ways.
Why?
It's weird if you eat the long ways. Weird.
And if you make eye contact.
That is some serial killer shit.
I like to take the Airheads and twist them. That's always fun.
Yeah, twisties.
You know, you turn them into a little twisty little screw thing. What? How do you eat? Okay.
One hit. Gotta use the zoom.
One by everything else rule.
Remember, guys, wide ways.
What kind of jail cell trick did you learn?
I like it dense, all right?
Oh, but look how good it looks. It looks so good.
I got a match. Let's go.
I just need another brick. If anyone has a driver's side brick for a reasonable price, hit your boy up.
But tomorrow's a big day because we have to get everyone's car ready for Saturday so they can drift. So it's gonna be a little stressful, but
I got my car ready today.
see, that's smart.
Yeah.
When's the last time you did oil change?
Just before the last event.
All right, whatever. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a big day.
because we have a big surprise.
Is it? We do? What is it?
I guess you don't even know yet. No, you know.
Sick.
Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Josh?
Have a good night.